Moving on to the Pandas nullable float data type. So we have this float data type over here, has 64 bits. This is the default. You're always going to get NumPy data types by default. But there is this Pandas float 64, 32, and 16 also available. So it's capital F float, so it's the same manner as the nullable integer, which is capital I int. And this will change it. You'll see it'll use the pandas missing value instead of the numpy missing value. This isn't as necessary because the numpy already had missing values, but again, if you wanted to be consistent and use all the new pandas data types, which is they're still in the experimental stage, by the way, so they're still changing. So you might want to stick with the numpy data types for now until a future version of pandas is released when they're no longer experimental and they're more stable. Maybe when pandas 2.0 comes out. But anyway, so this data type does exist, and it just uses the pandas missing value and not the numpy missing value.